Well, I guess it's time for night 2. Here we go. Oh, that's the phone. Hello? Hello? Well, if you're interested and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk this quite long since Rubber and his friends seem to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place. Interestingly enough, Reppert himself doesn't come off stage very often. I heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though. I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots on your camera views, so if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to use your door lights. You may have only a few seconds to react, not that you wouldn't be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove from time to time. The character in there seems unique and becomes more active if the cameras remain on for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon. Alright, so I guess let's go ahead and check the cameras. Ow. Okay, everything's going fine. None of the animatronics are moving. Ah! Oh no, the camera busted out again. What happened? Okay, of course you're gone. Wait, he told me to check the Pirate Cove. So that must be him. Okay. He said it's a curtain. Oh, whatever. Okay. Whoa. Bomb and Stella are already in the dining area. Wow. Okay, everything's going just fine. Okay, nothing. Okay, let's go check back in the cameras. Oh my god, they're both gone. What a night. Oh my god, Bond, you don't need to stare at the camera. I'm terrified. Jeez. Holy dog sauce! So I should check on him a lot, time to time. Jeez. Look at those sharp teeth. Did he cause a bite of 87? Okay. Let's check my power. 9%, that's fine. Okay, let's look at the cameras. Yep, that's still again in the kitchen. Check the cameras. Oh crap! Chuck's gone! Ah! Shut the door! Beep! Close one. Oh great, I heard footsteps. What's going on? After that Chuck trouble, Bomb is now in the spiral closet. Where's Stella? Right beside my door! Okay, let's open this door. Let's check the light. Okay, no one there. Let's open the door. There we go. Alright, let's check this light. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's check the cameras. Okay, Bomb is at the hallway. Oh crap, Chuck's about to leave. Alright, let's just check the light. Check the light here. Okay, no one's there. Open the door. There we go. Alright, let's go back in the cameras. It's right beside my door. Okay, let's shut the door because I know he's here. Yeah, I hear Stella's in the kitchen. Let's go ahead and check the power. Oh crap. 8%? Come on! And it's 4 a.m. Okay, good. Okay, let's look in the cameras. Oh, that was Chuck. He was knocking on the door. Alright, let's check the cameras. Okay, there's Bomb. Hey, there's Stella. She's in the dining area. So there's Chuck. He's looking at the camera. Alright, now I can open this door. There we go. Alright. So I can just sit here. Let's put the camera down. I can just sit here until I hear footsteps. 2 minutes later. Oh, I gotta check the cameras now. I hear some weird stuff coming. Crap, Chuck's about to leave. There's Bomb, and I can hear that Sill's in the kitchen. Okay, going good. Oh no, the power's out again. I don't think the viewers can see this. Oh crap. Oh no, there he is again, ready to kill me, no! Yes, I win, again, yay!